In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner, and firstly, to add an audio file, hit Files. Then choose Audio at the top, look for your file in one of those apps, or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner in one of those sources. Then tap on the chosen one to attach it. If you want to add a video one, hit Gallery section, tap on your video here to add it, or select Folders, look for it, and click on it to add it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!